Yesterday, after we had this cold injections, I started already feeling better right afterwards, but yesterday we walked to the church from the hotel, and I would have never made it before. Well, well, it's so interesting. Normally I like to run marathons and was very well with my legs, and then I had my situation with my knees and then the ankle, and I tried to make always my walks as short as possible. I even figured it out how I can gain 10 yards to the coffee shop and back to the car. I turned around 3 times to maybe find an opening spot to park. And then yesterday, after we had this cold injections, I started already feeling better right afterwards, but yesterday we walked to the church from the hotel, and I would have never made it before. And then to try to find the store, we turned around in the city, and actually when I came back, I had muscle pain because I found out that I have never, for years, I did not walk anymore, and I couldn't have made it without that. And I'm very confident that the pain will completely disappear. And I mean, I cannot imagine how you feel once when you just even were thinking getting up in the lighthouse, getting up from the table and to the freezer. Do I really think that I want to, in one shot, I want to think to get everything that I don't have to go twice? And now I probably run there several times and I don't feel anything anymore. I mean, so happy about this.